to our channel Nifty Buddy. I'm your buddy Subinaya.
I'm Buddy Pranavisan.
In today's video, we are going to be making crystals and geode. Now, you might ask what a geode is, isn't it? Well, a geode is nothing but a natural formed stone with a hollow center which has crystals in it. Really interesting, isn't it? Well, now shall we grow our own crystals?
Except this crystals. Ooh.
Yes, you're right, Pranav. It's basically nothing but egg surprise with crystals. So, the materials that you need for this experiment are: you need some borax. We are using about 2 tablespoons. Over here, we are using this clean and green Kasadi Amo borax. Over here, we are using about 2 tablespoons of borax. We also need a metal wire to shape our favorite shape, to create our favorite shape. Over here, we are using a glass and a stick tied with strings like this, thread like this, and then last but not the least, glue and food coloring. And we also need hot water. So friends, we have this boiling hot water over here, and Pranav, you need to listen to what I say, okay? Okay, so first I'm going to add a bit of borax. We need to keep on adding borax until it becomes a saturated solution actually, and we have to keep mixing it. Mix, Pranav. So friends, all the borax that I took has been dissolved in the hot water, and we have taken 2 more tablespoons of borax, and I'm going to add it fully. We need to keep on adding until it becomes a saturated solution. Well, now you might ask what a saturated solution is, isn't it? Well, a saturated solution is nothing but a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved. Did you know that water is the universal solvent?
No.
So friends, our solution has almost reached a saturation point. So I guess it's time to add the food coloring. Over here we're not going to be using the liquid, we're going to be using the powder food coloring. We're going to let it cool for a while. We'll just set it aside. Yeah. So friends, now it's time to make our geode. So over here I have some white glue.
First for me.
Fine here. Now we need to put glue inside the egg and then cover the whole egg with glue. You can use your hands or you can also use a paintbrush. You might be wondering where Pranav went, isn't it? Well, Pranav actually broke his eggshell and he's pretty upset about it. So he told that he doesn't want to join in this part. He told that I'll be back again after some time. So yeah, let me just continue while he's not there. Over here, I've finished applying the glue inside the eggshell. Now I've taken some borax and then I'm going to be spreading it inside the eggshell. I'm going to make sure that I cover every corner of the egg. You can just dust off the excess. Done. Now we need to let the egg dry. I actually forgot to tell you guys that I'm actually also going to make a jewel. So over here I'm going to start off with that too. Over here I'm going to take a metal wire. I hope you guys can see it. I'm going to take a metal wire and I'm going to shape it in any shape that I want. Over here Pranav has made this drop shape. I hope you guys can see it. And I think I'm going to make a circle. So guys, my circle is ready. It looks more like an oval, but it's okay. So now we're going to take our stick which has 2 threads tied to it like so. And then now I'm going to take our two shapes that Pranav and I already made. Now I'm going to tie it to it. So friends, my shapes are ready. And over here, my solution has also come to the room temperature. And now I'm going to transfer it into this small cup that I have. So friends, I've transferred it into this container and I also have this ready. I'm going to bring it to equal length, which I already have it. And then now I'm going to keep it inside the container in such a way that it doesn't touch the bottom. And then we just have to let it set for 24 hours, and we can actually check it day by day. And the more you leave it without disturbing it, the better you will have your crystals and the cooler it will look. Now let's take our other container and now let's fill it with the solution. And then over here my egg is all dry and ready. Now we just have to drop it inside and make sure the whole egg is immersed in it. Okay, so both of them are ready. Now, for the video, I actually pre-prepared a set. So let me just show you that while I just set this aside. Friends, this is it. Let's take it out and check it how it is. Oh my god, look at the crystal around the egg. It is so shiny. So guys, the crystal has formed so beautifully and inside even better. Look at that. It's so cool. I don't know whether you can see it in the camera, but almost more than half of the egg inside the egg is full of crystals. I would have enjoyed it a lot if he was there. Next, let's check our shapes. Well, I'm going to let it set for a few more days and then I can make some sort of charm out of this, I think. So friends, it will take at least 1 day for the jewel and the geode to start crystallizing. And while you go check on it, make sure you take the jewel and the geode out of the container really carefully. And when you take it out, you will find actually some crystals settled down at the bottom of the container. So to actually reuse it, we can add some hot water and borax to it so that it becomes a saturated solution once again. And then you have to let it cool down, and then you can actually place your object into the container and then let the process go all over once again. I actually let my crystal and geode set for 1.5 days, but now I'm going to let it set for 2 more days so that I can use it for something else and it looks really pretty. And make sure you try it at home. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to keep me motivated to make more such fun videos. Till then, let's play, explore, learn and grow together. Bye bye. I love you all.